You know I wish I could. I'm so high at the moment. I'm so caught up in this. Yeah, we're just young, dumb, and broke. But we still got love to give while we're young, dumb. Young, dumb, and broke. Young, dumb, young, dumb, and broke. Young, dumb, and broke. Young, dumb, broke high school. We argue all the
Beautiful day. Today is another beautiful day for our trading session and platform. All right, so I would love to welcome each and every one of you who is joining in. We are just getting started. We are fresh into the market, so come through, let us analyze the market together, let us trade together. All right.
young, broke high school kids.
For those that are just joining in, the new ones, you're most welcome. For the old ones, I am always so humbled. I'm always so happy whenever I keep seeing you coming through. So let us dive straight into it without wasting any time. Let's go. Over there, I see that is Tete. Hi, Tete. How you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you are doing amazing. It's your girl Lena over here, and we are just getting started. Ruth is in the building. Hi, my dear Ruth. How are you doing? Hope you are doing amazing. Hope you are doing okay. And maybe one thing I would love to ask you. Okay, I know I talked about some information, but I wanted to find out from you. That is for Ruth, for the information that I'm putting on Telegram, in our group on Telegram. Is it doing something? Is it improving your trading journey? Are you finding it? How are you finding it? Because what I'm trying to do is to put at least something there that can help us go around our trading. It might not be a video, but I just want to keep putting those small, us understanding the candles, us knowing exactly what we have to do with these different candlesticks. It helps us a lot. If we are talking about market structure, if we have a certain kinds of short forms on those different structures, how does it help us? So let me know guys how you are finding it, because I am actually doing my very best to so that at least most of the times I do not take so long to at least upload something there, okay? Because I know in our free time, that is when we get time to go through this information, to analyze it, when our minds are fresh. So that's why I'm trying to do that, because at the end of the day, we all have to learn something concerning trading, all right? Okay, so Ruth, yes, it's helping a lot always. Okay. Okay, I'm still seeing a way of doing that. I'm still finding a way of doing that. I've just had some challenges here and there. That's why they really delayed. But I was like, as I'm finding a way of doing this, let me at least be putting something for my people to be at least not to miss out a lot, such that by the time the videos come through, we are at least somewhere. All right. Okay, so thank you very much, Ruth. I really do appreciate the feedback. Guys, where are we? Today is a Sunday. We are getting into the new week, okay? We are getting into the new week. Come through, talk to me, and let me know how everything is going on your end. Okay. Okay, so like I introduced a pocket option broker as we see on my over there, that is the platform that I'm trading on. Then definitely binary options is what I'm trading, and the chart that I have over there, that is gold OTC. So let us see how everything is going to play out today, such that we proceed one step at a time. Okay, hi Lekala, how you doing? Hope you are good. Yoga Lena over here is doing amazing. How are you doing over there? How is your Sunday going? How has been your weekend? How is everything on your end? I know for people who are into employment, at a certain hour of the day, you have to prepare. There are people, when I used to be in employment, I would actually, over the weekend, I would prepare clothes that would take me through the whole week. All right. Yeah, so I know you must be there busy getting ready for how the week is going to play out. But let us believe for the very, very best. So good to have you, Lekala. Good to have you in the building. And I'll write your name. Okay. We are definitely taking it one step at a time. One step at a time. Let us see. Okay, we are doing great. We are doing great. Andrew, hi Andrew, how are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Hope you are doing amazing. It's good to have you. It's always good to have you. It's always exciting to have you in the building. How is your Sunday going? How has your weekend been? Guys, where are we in our trading journey? Where are we? Are we carrying out some trading? Are we still on the demos? Are we gaining the skill? Where are we? What are we up to? I want to know. I want to know. Okay, so that is a plus for us. And I don't really care if nobody else believes, 'cause I still got a lot of fire left in me. Okay, Fortune. Hi, Fortune. How you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you are doing amazing. And there comes Benjamin. Hi, Benjamin. How you doing? Hope you are doing great. Hope you are doing amazing. It's a beautiful day today. So let me hope everyone is doing okay. Everyone is doing amazing. Good song, take back my life song. My power stand up, stay right now, I'll be strong. We are definitely diving into a new week. Okay, we are diving straight into a new week. So we as traders, I believe each and every one of us who is watching, who is in the comment section, We are all traders. So whenever we come for such sessions, I believe that we have a goal. We are looking up to something. So guys, it's always so good. It's always so amazing when we come through. We share, we talk about this and that. I loved it back then. I think it's like two a week or two where we used to have people coming through talking about this, talking about that, like advising each other. Such is so good. Most of our brothers and sisters who are just fresh and starting on their trading journey, it helps them know what exactly to do, how to manage the different challenges that they are going through, how to compose themselves in trading. As you and me know very well that once you're not emotionally stable and you come into the market, things are going to turn south. Things are not going to work out at all. So the way we compose ourselves, the way we make sure that at least things are done in the right way, these are some of the things that we can be advising ourselves on. We can be having the beautiful vibe in the audience, but at the same time, we have those few tips. Let me tell you one thing. You can see it as something small, but it could be saving someone somewhere that we could not even be knowing, right? So when we keep sharing, when we keep talking about all these, because at the end of the day, I do not think that Lena using price action as my strategy, that is what everyone is going to use. You might find that what someone wants to hear or what someone wants to know about is risk management, is the discipline, the planning, the patience, all these different factors that come together to make us good and amazing traders, right? So when we come through and we talk about these, and maybe people are not just hearing Lena talking about this and that, at some point you find that people are like, okay, if someone, let me give an example, if Benjamin went through this and they maneuvered this way, or if they went through it like this, that simply means that I can also go through it. If Ruth blew her account three times, but right now she is seeing profits, that simply means that for the two losses that I've encountered should not push me out of the market. It simply gives me the confidence to keep going. So such different ideas that people see or watch us have in the comment section or see us talk about. These are some of the things that give them the courage, the the zeal to keep going. All right. So whenever we come for these sessions, just know this is our time for us to talk about each and everything. All right. Everything and anything. It's our time. We talk about it all. It could not be about the strategy. We could just be talking about something that you have encountered in your trading life. Because at the end of the day, Lena over here, what I have experienced might not be the same. Okay, we find that there are certain things that could be the same, right? Of course, like blowing our accounts. That cuts across. It cuts across. It comes to you, to me, back to each and every one of us, because we do not have the knowledge. We do not have everything that we need. We do not have the tools. We do not have the skill to prevent ourselves from blowing our accounts. But you find some small things, how someone maybe learned how to trade, how someone perfected it. Because for the people who are here and you are using a pure price action as your strategy, all right? One thing I can tell you is that it's a very easy strategy to use, all right? But one thing that I'm going to encourage you to do so much make sure that you understand market structure. Make sure that you understand market structure. It it is challenging in the beginning because Lena talks about if we are in an uptrend, we are going to see the higher highs and the higher lows, but not all the higher highs are a point for us to place in a trade, all right? So you need to sit down, identify. If Lena talks about a strong or the major higher low and the major higher high, what does she mean? Okay, because at the end of the day, we have to identify what are we exactly looking out for. What are we, we have to identify what is in the middle there that makes it to be a major high or to be a major low or to be like we have to identify, we have to understand some of those things. The strategy itself is very, very easy, but now for us to know when to place in that trade, because actually most of us, that has been the question. What do you mean when you say a strong high or a strong low? What do you mean in that particular point? Okay. One of the things that you should be looking out for. Sorry, just give me 1 second here. Hold on. If you wanna go and take a ride with me, baby, one more time. Okay, maybe before we proceed, for anyone who has sent in your donations, please let me know. I have received very many, but just don't want to have those issues of my donation has taken long to be traded. I sent it last month. No. I do not want to entertain such. Okay. Okay. Okay, so as we see over here on my chart, we are having a pullback over there. We are having a pullback. So one thing you should be looking out for, all right? You see on my chart over there, after the green candles, after those green candles, that clearly means that those red candles that formed, that gives us a pullback, all right? But for as long as those that candle that has been formed does not cross and go below the previous low. When you look at the chart over here, we are definitely having a higher low and a higher high, all right? So after that higher high, we definitely had a pullback. So if that pullback, we go down and we break below the previous low, that simply means that we are going to have a reversal. But if we do not, that simply means we are going to have a continuation. We are going to continue with the trend, all right? But for as long as we break below the previous low, that simply means now we are going to have a reversal. And as you can see over here, we have broken below. So that simply means that we are having a downtrend. We have switched trends right about now. So even if you are not going to trade, even if you're not in the moods of trading, let me tell you one thing. These candles, the way they form is very, very interesting. You can come through and you feel confident that you understand how these candles are moving. But as you can see, ever since we broke below the previous low, we are still proceeding down, all right? So over there we had these two green candles, meaning we had a pullback over there. Still we were pushed down, meaning we are still having a continuation over there. So these are some of the things that you can come to the market. You come to your chart, even if you are not going to trade. Please, even if you're not going to trade, just look at how these candles are forming, how the patterns are forming, how are they forming? Because at the end of the day, what we are going to be having are higher highs, higher lows, lower highs, lower lows. But one thing we have to look out for are those major lows, major highs. That is what we have to look out for. And whenever I talk about a strong low, that simply means that I am looking at that particular point that made us break structure. Okay, that particular point that pushed the previous point to break structure. If we are moving in the lower, in a downtrend, for example, and then we had our lower high, we had a major lower high, okay, but then we had a pullback over there. Remember, in most cases, whenever we have those pullbacks, we have a continuation. So when do we see that we are having a pullback? We see that we are having a pullback when at least we are forming those opposite candles. If we are in a downtrend and then we form those opposite candles, that simply gives us that pullback. After that, you see that the same candles of that particular trend that we were in are forming. So that is when you know that we are going to continue in that particular downtrend. So one thing I'm going to urge you is, let us take time, okay? If you are a trader who is using pure price action like me, sit down, know these different patterns. Know that, okay, right about now, we are having this particular candle. You see, whenever I talk about a spike, you know, those candles that come through and they spike, that clearly shows you that, okay, right about now, I don't know, but the name is skipping. They're called those perfect candles that will show that the sellers are completely in the market. Oh, Jesus Christ. The head, the brain is frozen right now. Can't believe you done it. You know you're beautiful. That's what makes you beautiful. Okay, whenever I talk about those spikes, those different candles that spike, those are the Marubozu candles, right? Yeah, those ones that have those large bodies. That simply means that we have that particular candle that has been formed. It means that those are the people that are taking over the market. Okay, they are more in the market in that particular moment. So all those different kinds you have to. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Ruth. You know, at times you can be having a lot of information in your head, and then some candles just disappear out of your head. I don't know why at some point I was even thinking about because we have the pin bar, we have the doji candles, there are a lot, there are really, really a lot. So that one had actually disappeared from my head. So whenever you see that, at least you know that, okay, this is what I should anticipate, this is what I should start thinking about. That simply means that, okay, these particular guys are more in the market, they are becoming many in the market. Like, just even if you're not going to trade, even if you don't feel like trading, just come through, look at these charts, just make sure that you understand how these candles move. Because at the end of that day, when you talk about market structure, it's not magic that market structure happens, all right? It is these different candles that are forming. It is these different candles that are forming the pattern that we actually identify as market structure, all right? So please take time, understand market structure, know how it works, because at the end of the day, it's a king. It is the backbone for you to actually know that here is where I should be placing in my trades from. Okay, so please, that is one thing that I'm going to urge you to do. That is one thing that I'm going to tell you to do. We are going to be having a lot of higher highs, higher lows, lower highs, and all that. But it does not mean that all those formats that are formed mean that dive into the market or enter into the market. No, we have to be specific and look at those points, look at those strong points, and know that, okay, right about now, this is a strong one. This one is still weak. It is still forming. We have not broken structure. We have not broken the previous high, or we have not broken the previous low. So we are looking at pullbacks right now. But like, you have to understand all these things. I'm telling you, you have to, for you to have a smooth running or a smooth way of trading. Please try it out, give it time, understand market structure so well. Of course, I know all of us, we know that, okay, right now, as we can see the chart, we have broken above, okay? We are in an uptrend right now. So we know that that is the market direction. But now where the challenge comes in is with the market structure. How those candles form, after how many candles, am I looking at a pullback? Are we having a pullback over here? Are we having a continuation? Are we all those are some of the things that we have to be looking out for, okay? And we as traders, we as winners, we as people who do not give up, we shall keep talking about that until it sticks in our minds, until it sticks in our heads, until we feel we are good to go. Even on days where you are like, okay, today I need some money, let me enter into the market because I know what to do. That is the level that I want us to be at. I need this. Let me go first, watch my charts, first see what the market is up to. I dive into the market, make some money, call it a day. Okay. So yes, that is it. All right, Andrew over there. Before Andrew, that is Castro. Hi, Castro, all the way from Brazil. Hi, how are you doing? Good to have you. Good to have you in the building. Andrew, yes, Lena, we always ask you about how to identify and trade with a strong low and strong high, but you always avoid answering the question. Oh my goodness, really? Really, really, really. Let me tell you, actually, today it's the first time I'm seeing this. Yesterday, what was I responding to? I actually don't remember properly. But, anyways, let me hope you've now gotten it because I've talked about those strong lows and the strong highs. I've talked about those major lows and the major highs. I've talked about it. So, let me hope it's okay now. I've cleared the air. But I'm so sorry that I've not been answering to that. I've actually not seen it before. I've not seen it before. Sorry about that. Mm, yeah, yeah, yeah. I get lucky. Oh, made a loss over here. I get lucky.
Maybe it's 6:45. Maybe I'm barely alive. Maybe you taking my shit for
Okay.
yeah. Maybe you know that I'm drunk.
Joshua, hi Joshua, how you doing? Hope you are doing great. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you in the building. And Raphael, hi, how you doing? Hope you are doing okay. Good to have you. Good to have you. Khaled, hi Khaled, how are you? Good to have you. Good to have you in the building. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate you. Okay, so that definitely we were pushed up and we broke a structure as you can see over there. So that clearly gives us a buy position over there, and you see we definitely had a clear bullish structure. Okay, so that's why I plus in. Okay, beautiful, 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 beautiful. I need a like you, yeah, 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 yeah. I need a like you. Mm, mm. Okay, so let us proceed. However, okay, when you look at the chart just like right now, and we are moving downwards, but for as long as we have not broken below the previous low, that clearly means that we are still in an uptrend. All right, it clearly means that we are still in an uptrend. So as you see here, we are after the pullback, we are still pushing back up. That clearly means that we are still in an uptrend. Okay, okay. We take it one slow, one time, one step at a time. One step at a time. There we have it. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. Joseph, hi Joseph, how are you doing? Hope you are doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you in the building. Let us proceed. Just make sure that you look at the chart clearly. You observe with me. So let us have it over there. We are definitely breaking below. All right. Actually, one thing I discovered when I was learning, amazing, that is beautiful. When you keep your eyes on the chart, when you keep watching, when you keep analyzing, it becomes easier. It becomes easier. And of course, when you know what you're looking out for, okay? When you know what you are looking out for, if we are talking about the major lower highs and the major lower lows, when we are talking about the major higher highs and the major higher lows, you need to know what they are. All right, You need to know what they are before you actually start looking for them in the market. Okay. All right. So with such, definitely you become better. You become better with time. You take it one step at a time, and things get better. Okay. Generation. Hi, generation. How you doing? Hope you are doing amazing. DGAIX. Okay, it is. I'm so used to a generation. Good to have you. Good to have you in the building. Hope you're doing great. Hope you are doing amazing. At the same time, as I make my observations, as I have my anticipations, we could share in the comment section, we could share and chat about it all. It's our time. We should always feel free to talk about it all, to discuss about what we feel. When you look at the chat over there, what do you think? What do you feel about it? Let it not be only Lena talking, all right? But let us share ideas. Let us see how to go about it. Let us keep improving ourselves together. Okay. Goodness. That clearly gives us we are still, I told you, for as long as we have not broken the previous high over there, we are still in a downtrend, all right? So that way we shall, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That way we shall keep planning and understanding exactly what happens in the market. All right. Do something brand new. Thank you, Khaled. I really do appreciate you. God bless you for me as well. Surely. Oh, goodness. I pray, and I take that. Thank you so much. I take that blessing. Oh, goodness. My enemies can never see me with the prayers that you guys keep sending me. They can never. Okay, so over there, let's see. Let me just keep it a little secret. Okay, I'm saying financial freedom. Look at that. Look at that. Me to become a full-time trader, one of the things that I was looking out for was to become financially free. And we have a financial freedom. Okay. Good to have you. Good to have you. Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. So, right about now, let us see how the market is going to behave. All night. So over there we have broken below. So let us see. Okay, we are definitely, we broke below over there. We are still in a downtrend, guys, if you have noticed that. Okay, for as long as you break the previous low or the previous high, that is for an uptrend, you are definitely still in that particular trend, all right? It's just the pullbacks and all that, but you are still in that particular trend. So guys, I need your eyes on the chart over there. Today we are doing it together. We are not leaving anyone behind. If you have any questions, you let me know such that I clear it all. Don't you need somebody? Your perfect me. Don't you need somebody to keep you warm all night? Don't you need But at the same time, that simply means that you need to be focused. You need to be focused. Because if you are not focused, you might actually make a mistake, confusing, just a lower, low, right, for something that broke structure. Okay, beautiful, beautiful. That is Jen. Are you trading during the market? The market is closed. Yes, my dear, I know that the market is closed, but I am trading OTC markets, open 24/7, open from Monday to Monday. Okay, with the OTC market, the markets are always open, so that's how I'm able to trade over the weekend, public holidays. I still do trade. I actually had someone who was telling me that for him, he trades the normal markets. Then over the weekend, he trades the OTC markets because at the end of the day, he does not want to miss out on anything. So this is a binary options trading, right? And I am trading on pockets. I'm trading on pocket options broker. Okay, so Jane is saying, nice, I didn't know I could set up this during. Okay, yes, you can do that. You can do that. And if you are interested, definitely the pocket options link is in my it's in my description over there. You can check it out. You're welcome, Jen. You're welcome, Jen. We are here to help one another, okay? To help one another to grow ourselves together. So why not share the little that we know or the little that we have? Okay. So let us try to catch some more entries over here. Tete, hi Tete, how you doing? Hope you are doing great. Your girl Lena over here is doing amazing. Mhm. I'm doing great. I'm doing great. Just catching some beautiful entries over here in the market. How is your Sunday going? Okay, so we have a broken above over here. Okay. Okay, I always want to send in greetings, my regards to my beautiful people, but sometimes some names become too much for me. So this I did not know how to say it. I think it's a call. I'm not so sure. But good to have you, good to have you. Hope you are doing amazing over there. So guys, we are going to dive straight into the donations. A core. I don't know. I think maybe you should give me an easier name to call you. You should give me an easier name to call you because I do not want to leave anyone feeling like I've not noticed them. I do my very best to do that. Yay! Hi, Vida Chuck. How you doing? How are you doing? Vida Chuck comes through with blessing. Hi, Vida Chuck. How are you, my dear? The last time I think we talked, you were not well. Hope you're doing great right now. I've missed you. I've missed you so much. Hi, blessing. How are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Hope you are doing amazing. So, Lekala is in the building as well. People are around. It's a Sunday and it's an amazing one. Good to have you guys in big numbers. Mr. Frederick. Hi, Mr. Frederick. Good to have you. Good to have you. So we are going into with our first participant. That is Viri, 1,550 US dollars. You can hear with a smile. Okay, that is a clear one. That is a clear one. All right. Congratulations. Okay. Vida Track is doing amazing. That's good. That's good. That's good to know. We missed you all. We really did miss you. But it's good. We thank God that at least you are here with us. Okay. We thank God. Okay, a perfect deep sleep. Holly, hi, my darling. How you doing? Hope you're doing amazing. Hope you are doing okay. Good to have you. Good to have you. I really, really love your. I really love that name. Mm, mm, mm. Ooh, and the world's gonna know your name. That is a Fazo. A Fazo, hi Fazo, how are you doing? How you are doing? Great. Good to have you. Good to have you in the building. In trading, we can all be champions. We can all be champions for as long as we take it one day at a time. I've given you guys a trick. Just make sure that you understand market structure. Know how those candles move, how those major highs and the lows form, all right? Just give it time, give it your time, because those are the points where we know that over here, let me plus in a sell, let me plus in a buy, okay? So give it time and practice over time. Things get better eventually, okay? Right. Okay. I'm good. I'm doing lovely. Yes. That is perfect. Deep sleep, Polly. We are here to milk the market. No mercy, no mercy at all. Let's go. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. All right. So as you can see over there at that pullback, we managed to get a plus. So let us proceed. I'm the one. I'm the only one. A puzzle. I'm doing well. You are really doing great. Thank you, my dear. Thank you, my dear. Good to have you around. Yes, please. Yes, please. Every day. Every day. That is at 3 p.m. Canadian time. I'm always here with you. Every day. Every day. Okay, look at us. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Today, no mercy for the markets. Yes, a day, that is perfect deep sleep, Polly. Yes, new for us, Vida Truck. We are having some new people over here, so we are doing great. Okay, guys, congratulations, this is amazing. Oh, I'm the one, I'm the only one. Okay, that is
Oh my god. She hit me up all day and no response. Bitch, you blow my eyes. That's like turning gold to bronze. Roll my eyes. And when she on the molly, she a zombie. She think we caught a Bonnie, but it's more like Whitney Bobby. God forgive me. Told you that finesse and I'm a legend. Straight up out the crescent. Fly your bait on.
Okay, I'm back. I'm back, guys. Okay. Okay. All right. Let us proceed. Sorry, guys, I'm back. I'm back. We proceed. We are looking at. Oh. Okay, thank you. Thank you for that. Let me change it back to 15. Okay. All right. Please stay on. Oh dear. So sorry about that. That was on our second attempt. We have closed in a loss. Not good at all. Okay, that is I to B. Stay on 1 minute. Okay, I'll give it a try maybe tomorrow. But in most cases, when I'm having my donations, even my personal trading, I prefer using the 15. Why do you prefer the 1 minute? Okay. Why do you prefer the 1 minute? On my end, I prefer the 15. The 15. Let me know why you prefer the 1 minute. Everything I do. Let me go back to my 15. Tattoo. I love you. Okay, so that is Caravanze. My camera is getting funny. Yeah, with time, don't get a moment. Nothing's broken. Need to worry about everything I've done. Live every second like it was my last one. Okay, so let us proceed. That we are taking it for just 2 items. Tattoo. Okay, so we are into it already. Okay, so that is our first win over there. But remember, we are taking it for 2 items. Guys, you will pardon my camera over there. You see, I'm not so clear. Like, you don't think the whole head and all that. For now, please, let's manage that. Okay. Oh my god! Oh my goodness. What a beautiful day. What a beautiful Sunday. So Mike. Hi, so Mike. How are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Good to have you. Good to have you in the building. Video truck. You remember Sir Mike? Sir Mike is over here. Hello. How are my beautiful people from Ghana doing? Good to have you. Good to have you in the building. Good to have you in the building. We are so happy that you managed to come through. Okay, so we are into our donations right about now. Real, Realton. Okay. You know, we as traders, I believe. Sorry about that. Okay, in our different tradings, we have different pairs that we feel comfortable with or that we prefer trading. So I always have the gold, silver, Brent oil, WTI, crude oil. So I feel those are the other amazing ones that I love using, and definitely with binary options trading, I always have OTC pairs as you can see. Okay, so we have a congratulations over there. Okay, all right. So, Mike, I don't know whether I have abandoned you or you have. No. On my end, Sir Mike, I have not abandoned you. We have not abandoned you. What we've done is miss you so much. We have missed you so much. We have missed you. Okay. Tohid, hi, how you doing? Hope you are doing great. Good to have you. Good to have you around. Okay, that is Land with Binary Traders. Thank you. You're making me feel sweet as I enter into the new week. Thank you, guys. I really do appreciate all your beautiful and amazing compliments. Okay. Mhm. Um, Sir Mike is asking me how are things going. Things are good. Personally, things are good on my end. I keep going. I keep going. Of course, it makes me so happy. It makes me feel so amazing when I see you, my beautiful people, come through in big numbers. It makes me feel so great because at the end of the day, when the audience keeps growing, that is my joy and my happiness. But otherwise, everything is beautiful, everything is amazing. So I don't know, how have you been? How have you been? Give us the full information. We would love to know how things have been. Have you been okay? What has happened? Have you carried out trading? Are you progressing? Are you achieving? These are some of the things that we would love to hear. Seriously. Because at the end of the day, when you are achieving, we are all achieving. All right. So let me hope it has all been amazing on your end. Okay, Samuel over there, how are you doing? Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you in the building. I'm so excited to see you guys. Yeah, video truck. Video truck, our son Mike is back. He is back in the building. Okay, Anna, I see you over there. You are doing amazing. Good to have you guys. I know it has been a while. It has been a while. Guys, I don't know. But, anyways, the way you disappear, let me hope that all is well. Let me hope that you are achieving. Let me hope you are moving from one step to another. That is what makes me happy. And truthfully, that's what makes me happy. If you guys are there, you are achieving, you should be coming here to share with us how amazing and how beautiful everything is going. All right. At the end of the day, we hold our hands together and believe for the very best. Okay. Okay. That's good. That's good. That's good. Okay, if it has been interesting, that's lovely. That's lovely. That's lovely. We have missed you so, so much, but it's good that we have you here now. Mhm. Oh, Yadav. Hi, Yadav. How are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you in the building. Stephanie. Okay, Samuel. Okay, all right. I know. Video track, thank you so much. In a way, actually, on very, very many occasions, when video track is around, there is a way he makes all of us feel special. He makes all of us feel so special. So, video track, thank you so much. And I believe we are all so happy to have you around. Okay, beautiful. That is for our first attempt. Okay. So those are two items so far. We have two more to go. That is for Adrian. Let's have them. Remember over there we have not broken below the previous low, so that simply gives us the opportunity to buy, and we have a plus. You see, guys, when you keep talking about it, when you keep actually addressing it, when you keep following your chart, there is a way it becomes easy. in moments where we are not having those market fluctuations, in the moments where we are not having those crazy movements in the market, it becomes quite easy. I don't know if you have seen it today, because today actually we have traded together, right? We have traded together, so we are moving together. I just want to show you certain ways on how to do it better. Oh, what did she say? Okay. Goodbye. Yash, hi Yash, how you doing? Hope you are doing great. Thank you for coming through. Good to have you. Goodness, what is going on? Oh dear. Dang, that's not good at all. Not good at all. You know, on very many occasions when you are going to close in a loss, you see it. You see it after placing in your entry, and then the market or the buyers show you that, okay, we are taking over. Not good at all. Not good at all. So sorry about that. On our last attempt, we have closed in a loss. I don't like it. Tell me what to say. Tell me what to say. The truth came in and the truth came out. I just didn't know what to do. Okay. Shadow, we are looking at a take profit of 2,500 with our initial deposit of 350 US dollars. What say? Did she say? Tie, but I'm holding on. Okay, so let us watch, analyze, and definitely enter into the market. Oh no. Okay, so we have a spike over there. In my head, I put in too much of a spike, so the Marabuzo candle jumps out of it. So right about now we are in an uptrend, as we can see over there. The buyers are in control as we speak, but let us see how it's all going to play out. Of course, when we are having those major lows, major highs, one thing you have to also put into consideration the pullbacks. You need to, I'm telling you. Who gives a damn? Oh no. Okay. Number one. That is beautiful. Beautiful. So that is for our first attempt. Remember, if we have not broken below the previous low, it still means that we are still in an uptrend right about now. To be a man. I'm not the kind of girl like that. Oh no. I'm gonna be your number one. Tired is how I'm holding on. Okay, so over there, please do not forget to like and subscribe and definitely leave a comment, just like Video Truck is saying. Okay. Right, as you can see over there, we are in a consolidation. We were still trying to form where exactly, but it looks like we are trying to break below. Trying to be cool. It's just okay. Let's go. So I wait for you to go. Okay, so we have a plus over here. Out of my perfume. Remember, we are looking at our take profit of 2,500. Telling myself, girl, I hope she smells my perfume. Hi, Dennis. How you doing? Hope you are doing great. Hope you are doing amazing. Oh, I miss you too. I miss you too. Where have you been? Hope all is well. Hope all is well. I missed you. We missed you, our beautiful family over here. We definitely did miss you. Nori is in the building. Hi, Nori. How you doing? Good to have you. Good to have you here. Hope you're doing great. Hope you are doing amazing. It's just so I wait for you to go. And while I wait, I put on my perfume. I want it all over you. I'm gonna mark my territory. So I wait for you to go. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Dennis. I love those compliments, you guys. Okay, so Mike, yes, please. Shooting. Yoga Lena is here to handle it all. It's a good time. No. No. Some Mike? No. I cannot lie to you about that. I can have, let me say, like maybe 80% profits. Then you find that maybe the 20 I have closed in a loss, or you find that maybe it's a 70, depending on how the market is. It depends on how the market is. Okay, there are those very very good days where I do the donations, and you find that maybe it's just of the whole list, it's just like two people who have made losses. Then there are those days when you find that the number is slightly bigger. So I cannot say that I can have 100% plus. No, because this minute as I trade for you, the market could be acting okay. Then the next time in the middle of trading for someone else, I start having those fluctuations. So I cannot lie to you that I've had 100% pluses. No. It's always a good time. Mhm. It's always a good time. It's always a good time. Okay, after that, a pullback. We are definitely having a continuation. Let's go. All right. Oh, we've not made what we had anticipated. It's always a good time. Pamela. Hi, Pamela Sunday. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you're doing great. Hope you're doing amazing. Good to have you in the building. Okay, you're welcome, Sir Mike. We are here for, we have to be transparent in it all. You remember those times? There is that time when you advised me. You remember? Actually, took it so much. And one thing I will always remember about you was that you were truthful to me, and you told me exactly how you felt, and I really, really do appreciate you. So at least you added some positive growth on me. I will always be grateful to you. So that we have to always be transparent, okay? Pamela Sunday explain how to use the alligator. With the alligator, I always use it to identify the direction that I'm in. That is, uh, when the green line crosses the red and the blue line upwards, we are in an uptrend. When it crosses downwards, we are in a downtrend. So it's for helping me identify what direction we are in, then also how strong that particular direction is. Okay. What else? It also gives me the signals. It also helps me with the signal. It gives me a signal that, okay, right about now, we are having amazing momentum. So you can plus in a trade. You can have an entry. So it's basically for identifying market direction, direction strength, how strong is that particular direction we are having. Okay, so congratulations to Shadow. Then also, of course, when we talk about the signal, I do not depend on only the alligator for 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 those anticipations that I have. I have other things that I depend on, but since you've asked for only the indicator, that is what I use it for. That is what it helps me with. But on my end, uh, it helps me back up other confluences that I use in the market. Hey, mama, don't stress your mind. We coming home tonight. Hey, mama, gonna be alright. Right those eyes in the morning. When the sun starts to rise, so mama, don't stress your mind. So mama, don't stress your mind. Mama, mama, yeah. We coming home tonight. Okay, congratulations. That is to Shadow. We gotta take it to Texas wherever we like. We got our problems, but just for the minute, let's push all our troubles aside. Alright, cause we got the keys to the universe inside our minds. Yeah, we got the keys, baby. Don't wake up. One day, push and we tell God. I wanna live fast, never look back, so we're here for. Don't wanna wake up one day, wondering where did it all go. Hey, mama, don't stress your mind. We coming home tonight. Hey, mama, we're gonna be alright. Dry those eyes. You'll be back in the morning when the sun starts to rise. Okay, so let us proceed. We coming home tonight. Dry those eyes. You'll be back in the morning. Okay, so over there we are going to have Baron. That is 5 atoms, and our deposit is $350. Okay. Guys, I'm not going to stop telling you about market structure. Okay. All right. But one thing you should know is that there is that time, actually, you find that at a great percentage, the market always moves sideways. Okay. So you should know when to wait, when to trade, or you also can learn how to trade in the sideways market or in consolidation market. So those are 2 items so far. We have 3 more to go. Tears for another man. Made you think that I would always lie. Said some things that I should never say. Okay, Pamela, explain how you use the other indicators as well. So for my trading over here, I always use 2, that is the alligator indicator and the MACD indicator. So for the MACD, definitely we are looking at the MACD line and the signal line. So, and the MACD line is very, very important. So whenever the MACD line crosses the signal line upwards, it means that we are moving in an uptrend. Then when, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. So sorry about that. So sorry about that. We have made a loss. That was enough on our 4th attempt. Sorry about that. Okay, that is Afro Block. How can you trade gold on a Sunday? I'm trading gold on a Sunday because I am trading on the OTC market, okay? With the OTC market or with an open market, I can trade from Monday to Monday, Monday through the weekend, right? So that's how I am able to trade on a Sunday. I am on an OTC market, okay? And that you can have it if you are trading on pocket options broker. Right now I am trading binary options, okay? So that's how I am able to, my dear Afroblock. Good to have you in the building. Let us proceed. We are taking it for 4 items. That is for Zarel. Under the coconut tree, you'll be chilling with me. No one else I wanna please. Morning light. Okay, so that simply means we have just 2 forever. You will make me stay forever. Okay, oh, sorry, Pamela, I did not finish for you. Yes, both the alligator indicator and the MACD indicators, I'm using default. Thank you, Video Track. Okay, so we have a plus over there, one more to go. You will make me stay, you will make me stay, you will make me stay forever. You will make me stay. Okay, congratulations. The melody that is for Zarel. Congratulations, congratulations, girl. Dun, 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 dun. Every time I Aaron, hi Aaron, how you doing? Hope you're good. Good to have you around. You are like me stay forever. Go make me stay. Okay, Afro Block, where are you from? I am trading live from Canada here. Mm. Go make me stay. Ooh, Stefan. Hi, Stefan. How you doing? Hope you're good. Good to have you. Good to have you in the building. We are almost closing, but either way, good to have you. Good to have you. Hope you're doing great. Hope you are doing amazing. That's beautiful. If you are doing great, that's all I want to hear. Okay, so that is Nocta. Take profit, we are looking at 3,500. Okay, so Vida Track and Stefan, I see you guys over there. I do not know what you're saying means, but I know you guys are checking on yourselves. Oh dear. Okay. Okay, Afro Block. How this works is like this. When you are trading binary options, we look at certain things. This is not like crypto trading or forex trading. So what we look at here is the expiration time. So as you can see down over there, you're seeing 15 seconds. So once my 15 seconds expire, I face my fate, either a plus or a loss. Okay, so here we do not have take profit or stop loss. It's all about the expiration time. Oh, so sorry. So sorry about that. Okay, thank you, Stefan. Thank you for that beautiful contribution. Okay. Ask him, ask him. But the last time he was here, actually, he was unwell. He was unwell. So he has told us, by the grace of God, he is now okay. He is up on his feet. Oren, we are taking it for 2 atoms. Dar es Salaam City. Okay, the minimum attempt for a trade. If you're talking about the donations, the minimum is $350. That is the minimum that I'm taking on for the donations, and the donations link is in my description. Okay, that is beautiful for our first attempt. We withdraw. Okay, Owen, congratulations. Congratulations over there. Okay, so allow me stop there for our donations and for the session as well. Guys, it has been amazing. It has been a beautiful day, a beautiful Sunday to have you all over here. A long time people have also joined us, Samai. So it has been a beautiful day. I pray that we keep turning up in big numbers. A big audience for me is all I pray for. So do not forget to like and subscribe. I will be waiting for you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Okay, Dennis. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow. Thank you, Perfect Deep Sleep Polly. Thank you so much. Thank you. Good night to you all. Stefan, good night. Video truck, good night to you. Good night. I know people are going to rest right now, but my